Today we find ourselves across the street from the Corvette Museum here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The reason I'm starting over here is because Arts is right across the street. And as you can see, they have cool stuff over here. This will only take us a minute. It's not just Corvettes, it's not just Chevy, it's a lot of old stuff. 69 Z28 Corvette, brand new torch red C8. This is called Arts Corvettes 270-843-0001. Good hangers on sale. Good. Did you guys see that sign in there? $10 to go look at the cars. A lot of cars over there in the Corvette Museum parking lot too. I'm going over there. Let's go. Well, you don't have to pay, just I do. I've been told that everything outside is free. So I'm gonna wander through here. Now, the cool thing about the museum is that this first row right here is Corvette parking only, that little area right there, and they give you a nice big space. These other ones over here, I know you're thinking, that's not a Corvette. Well, it's a handicap space, so they're up in the front. But it's always nice to show up here in a Corvette because they definitely make you feel special. I see either a Zeus Bronze C8 over there or a Caffeine, depending on the year. C5 Ragtop, C7, C6 Grand Sport, C5 Ragtop, C7. Looks like it's gonna be a good day. Everybody put a little money into the making of this place. When they were first starting it, everybody bought a brick. These used to just be on the entryway into the building, but now so many people have donated money, so many car clubs, that they're all the way out here on the side too. Let's go up in here and see what's up. Oh, look at that blue. Let's go inside the museum. I like the fact they have a library of archives over there where you can check out all kinds of information. How many made this color, this style. These are just basically new ones that came right off the production line. They put them out here for you to check them all out. Conference center? Sweet. And the Corvette store where I must get a t-shirt every time I come here. That's called Magnetic Red Metallic, I believe. Another one right behind it. Somebody got a new one. They have a little presentation area. The car comes through the middle here and then goes right down there. And when the door opens, it's its first time seeing the daylight. They take some pictures outside and then Doesn't burn out. That's pretty freaking cool. '61. Corvette museum delivery. It's kind of easy because they make them right down the road. But you can see inside there are several that are soon to be delivered. Look at that. That's pretty special. See, I like that with the blacked out emblems. That's cool. Not far from how I'd get one. Oh, as I walked by, I smelled the leather. Big snoot full of leather. Oh. Whew. Looks like they just kind of had a car show here today too, and I'm also here a little later in the day, but there are just rows and rows of C6s and, well, C5s too. Got to be a couple hundred over in this one lot. Oh, I see a 56 or 57 down there. Is that a 65 there or 6? Filter. That's pretty cool. That's a nice ride right there. Boy, that's nice red on that one.
That's what I say do guys. We're not
Landing pad for every bug in a mile from here. Admittedly, when you have a whole lot of late model cars, it, dare I say, gets a little predictable, but it's nice to see stuff like this. Yeah. Just a driver, just a guy driving the crap out of his car and enjoying it. Let's see if it's a clutch or an auto. 4-speed. That's what I'm saying. Back in the day, they used to spell Stingray as 2 separate words. That ended in '69. It was the first year to have it out across the fender as one word in script instead of block letters like the first generation. Not bad for free to just wander through the lot. Nice. Well, let's get back out on the road. It's kind of a tradition when you're leaving here. You have to get up to about 150 as quickly as you can. You might hear that. Well, let's get back out on the road, start aiming up toward Dayton, Ohio. Got them C8 Corvettes on their way to my house. I got a whole trailer full. I think it's like 8 or 7, however many they can fit. All the best colors.